Did you know that your stomach is powerful enough to digest steak, metal, and even yourself? Sounds crazy, right? But don't worry, you're not dissolving from the inside out. Because your stomach has a superpower self-repair mode. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover how your stomach regenerates itself like a superhero. Inside your stomach, there's a dangerous battlefield. It's filled with hydrochloric acid, a liquid so strong it could dissolve metal. Fun fact, stomach acid has a pH of 1 to 2, which is nearly as strong as battery acid. So, how come your stomach doesn't digest itself? Meet your stomach's defense system, a thick mucus shield that acts like an invisible force field. This mucus, made of bicarbonate-rich secretions, neutralizes acid and keeps your stomach safe. But here's the catch. This protective layer doesn't last forever. It gets damaged and worn out every few hours. So what does your body do? It activates self-repair mode. Your stomach has a crazy fast cell regeneration rate. Every 2 to 5 days it completely replaces its inner lining, like getting a brand new stomach over and over again. That's millions of new cells every second working tirelessly to keep you safe from your own acid bath. And this isn't just for protection, it's the reason your stomach recovers quickly from minor ulcers, spicy food burns, or even mild infections. Want to keep your stomach healthy and regenerating at its best? Follow these simple tips. Eat gut-friendly foods. Leafy greens, yogurt, and fiber-rich foods keep your stomach happy. Avoid excessive alcohol and junk food. These can weaken your stomach lining. Stay hydrated. Water helps produce protective mucus. Get enough sleep. Your stomach heals the most while you sleep. So next time you eat something spicy, remember, your stomach is already preparing for battle and rebuilding itself from the inside out. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and comment below. What's the spiciest thing you've ever eaten? Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts.